Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E6S. In this video I will show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, and now go to security and location. Enter screen lock, confirm with your current PIN, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, next PIN, now password, and in the end let's select pattern. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock. Simply enter fingerprint, and now you have to scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can unlock your phone using the fingerprint. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.